My video is dedicated to help you get rid of Fieldvillagespot.xyz fake Chrome search contest 2022 alerts. These are fake alerts that now attack Google Chrome and other browsers. The fake alert indicates that you've made the 5 billionth search and that you have a chance of winning some prize, such as Samsung Smart TV or iPhone or some other top gadget. But the real purpose of these pop-ups is not to make you happier, but rather to collect some of your personal details. These pop-ups try to gather the information about your name, your surname, email address, and other data. If you share this information, the data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So please do not ever interact with these fake alerts. Do not share any of your personal data through them. Now, we recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find something suspicious, get rid of it. Also, we recommend you to research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your device with its help to detect and eliminate other infections from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.